Welcome to Château de Vaughan, located at 24 Dewdrop Court. Your dream home awaits.
Show me how to slow down, 'cause I've been going too fast for my own good now. So I'm hoping I can see the light in your eyes and feel it in the good light. If you're by my side, carry me wherever you go, wherever you go. Carry me wherever you go, wherever you go. Show me how to slow down, 'cause I've been going too fast for my own good now. So I'm hoping
The stunning executive residence boasts over 10,000 square feet of luxurious living. Set on a premium 1.8-acre private estate with a wealth of exceptional upgrades, this magnificent home is designed for family living, enjoyment, and entertainment.
carry me wherever you go, wherever you go. Carry me wherever you go, wherever you go. We got all summer, we got so much time getting to know each other. You're always on my mind. We got all summer, we got so much time getting to know each other. Carry me wherever you go,